Hello, wealthy, successful, prosperous, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. And I know what you have before you looks like a great big mess. However, I'm going to explain this mess to you. Today, I want to talk to you about wait times in the market. I want to talk to you about them because they're a natural part of the market rhythm and the market cycle. The challenge with the wait times in the market, as you can see, they are much more time consuming. This is the market trending, this is the waiting time, trending time, waiting time, trending time, waiting time. So you can see that is disproportionate, and it makes it a little bit challenging to people who like things to hurry up. And you know that I've said in past videos, and I continue to say, that waiting is one of the master disciplines of the successful traders. Now, um, this one is an uh, old stop loss, but this was the moving stop losses that I was using last night. So this is actually a chart from last night that I was trading, but I've added these things so I can show you these places that I'm talking about. Now, once price starts to trend, then we get this period of wait. They give us this period of wait. They give us these periods of wait. Now, the challenge with the period of wait is you get these trick reversals and these fake outs. And these are the things that pull in the antsy bulls. Because after all of this time of waiting, it seems logical that we should be getting a price reversal. However, a lot of times this is a trick. So keep in mind that usually a trend in motion is going to stay in motion. Now, it's areas like this that I definitely want to focus on, because now you have a good trending market. One of the things that you want to pay attention to in the market is the distance between your moving averages. And I do want to say that the market will do whatever it wants to do. I added this little zigzag line for you before the fact so that you can kind of see how it is that this whole cycle worked. You get a period of drop, wait. This just shows a straight period of dropping, but it is the drop, wait, drop. Then you get the wait. Now, these are the times that it gets to be a little bit challenging, because you can see where I was moving that moving stop loss last night. And you can see that we have the drop in price. We have what looks like a strong reversal candle because it engulfed these smaller candles. Then you get this time of long wait. You get the break and close above this previous candle. And it looks like I need to adjust that just a little bit. But you get this break and close above this candle here. You also have the break and close above the 10 period SMA. Let me pause it. No, I'm not going to pause it. I'm just going to take off these other moving averages. Let's just do that for a minute. Because what I want you to pay attention to during these times of wait is the distance between your moving averages, especially the distance between this 20 and the 200 SMA. Find out where the 200 SMA is in reference to this moving average, and find out how it is that price is moving. Are you getting much of a pullback? Are you pulling back 10, maybe 15, maybe 20 pips sometimes? But a lot of times these times are there to draw whoever's on the opposite side these times are there to draw them in, and you can see price then quickly reverses on them. So watch out for these times in the market because they are boring. They are times that you have to learn to master if you are going to be a successful trader. And what is it that you're waiting for? Because I know I always talk about waiting being one of the master disciplines of the successful trader. What are you waiting for? Guys, you're waiting for the reward. You're waiting for the reward. You're waiting to see which way the market is going to go. Yes, these times are hard, and they're much longer than the time that the market trends. However, when the market does continue in harmony with the trend, that's just more paper in your pocket. This is where I actually got out of the market last night, and I drew this line so that I can come back and see how the market progressed after this point. But guys, I just wanted to bring this to you. As you know, my favorite kind of market is when I'm just stepping down. I'm going from big step, 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 step. But guys, these are those kind of funny steps where you get a step down, long step, step down, long step, step down. And you can see how these times really pull you in, because now you have, where you see this zigzag line, you have a bottom, and then price begins to rise against you, and you can see your money begin to deplete. This morning when I got in this time, and I thought, okay, I'll jump off of this at 23.7. What happened is the market did not come back to that 1.2307, so I knew I had this additional time of wait, which I was not happy with. But what I did is I figured, okay, if the market's going to make me wait like this, then it is going to reward me. So I went ahead and took off that take profit and ended up with more profit than I was initially holding out for. So guys, I just want to remind you of these things. It is hard to wait, but remember and tell yourself during these times, you are waiting for the reward, because the market's going to go somewhere. The market is going to go somewhere. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. And if you see that you've truly lost your advantage, then go ahead and get out of that trade. But the market is going to go somewhere after these times of waiting when you're in a liquid market. I didn't get up this morning until later because I saw this huge thing on the economic report, and I was going to get in on that. Yeah, price started before I got up, so I just had to jump aboard and just love it in the meantime. Guys, I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. If this video does not make sense to you, or if any of my videos are not making sense to you, please ask me. I have no secrets. If I know it, I will tell you. If I don't know it, I will tell you that as well. So guys, watch out for these times of drop, wait. Nobody wants to wait, but these are times that pull you in. These are the times of uncertainty, and they're meant to throw you off of your game. They make you nervous if you're already in the trade, or they pull you in if you're antsy to counter trend trade. So watch out for these times, guys. And you can do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific rest of your week.